Fantasy sports apps are all the rage, and it's not just football and cricket, fantasy golf has a huge fan base too. Golf apps are rising in popularity, offering features like GPS navigation, real-time scoring and swing analysis. In 2021, the U.S. National Golf Foundation conducted a survey, according to which almost 80% of golfers used at least one mobile golf app. That can be virtual golf gaming app, coaching app, scoring app, golf club apps, or handicap app. Smooth functioning of these apps makes them more engaging and enhances the user experience while driving growth for business, and features plays a vital role in it, which includes performance analytics and player statistics, leadership board and rankings, calendars and appointments, list of golf courses and clubs, score prediction and predictive analytics. Would you like to create a fantasy golf app that benefits businesses and provides a rewarding experience for customers? Then you are at the right place. We, the team of Royo Enterprises, are here to assist you. We are offering you a comprehensive tech suite for fantasy golf app, including an admin panel, owner app and user app. With over 5,000 plus satisfied clients worldwide, we're experts in custom software and app development. Click on the link given in the description and schedule a free consultation with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.